Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G435. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with PC. In the beginning, turn on your headphones. Now prepare this USB dongle. Connect this dongle to your PC. And it's done. Now you have to go to volume settings and select your headphones as primary audio device. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.